Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of printing out PDF forms just to add a simple tick or cross? In today's quick and easy tutorial, we're going to show you how to add professional-looking tick and cross symbols directly into your PDF documents using Foxit PDF Editor. Let's get started. Process 1. The fill and sign method, the easiest way. The quickest way to add a tick or cross is using Foxit's built-in fill and sign feature. It's perfect for quickly marking up documents. First, open your PDF in Foxit. Now, look for the Fill and Sign tab at the top of your screen. In some newer versions of Foxit, this might be located under the Protect tab or even its own Foxit ESIGN tab. Click on it. Once you're in the Fill and Sign toolbar, you'll see a set of symbols. You should see a checkmark and a cross X. Simply click on the symbol you want to use. Let's start with a tick. Now, just move your mouse to the exact spot in the PDF where you want to add the symbol and click. And there you have it. A clean, sharp tick mark. Adding a cross is just as simple. Go back to the Fill and Sign toolbar, select the cross symbol, and place it where you need it. Placed, you can click on the symbol to bring up a mini toolbar. Here, you can change the color. Maybe you need a red tick? You can also easily resize it by dragging the corners. Process 2. The comment method. For more flexibility. Another great method, especially if you want to add symbols that aren't in the Fill and Sign toolbar, is to use the comment tools. Step 1. Use the typewriter tool. Go to the Comment tab. Here, you'll find the Typewriter tool. This tool lets you type text anywhere on your PDF. Step 2. Use a special font. Click on the document where you want your symbol. Now, for the magic trick. In the font selection drop-down that appears, scroll down and select the font Wingdings 2. Now, on your keyboard, hold down the Shift key and press the letter P. This will create a check mark. For a cross mark in the same font, hold Shift and press O. Just like with the other method, you can change the color and size of these symbols using the text formatting options. And that's it. 3 simple ways to add ticks and crosses to your PDFs using Foxit. Whether you're quickly marking a document or creating a fillable form, Foxit has you covered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.